In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable picture-in-picture floating video in Brave browser. If you've ever wished you could keep a video visible while you check email, take notes, or browse another site, this feature is for you. Picture-in-picture, often called PIP, pops your video into a small, always-on-top window that you can drag around your screen and resize so you can keep watching without losing focus on other tasks. Let's start with the built-in option that works on most video sites. Play the video you want, then double right-click directly on the video. The first right-click usually shows the site's custom menu. The second right-click opens the browser's menu where you'll see picture-in-picture. Click that and the video will pop out into a small floating window. You can move it by dragging the window and resize it by dragging the corners. Hover over it to pause or play, or return to the original tab anytime. To put it back, just close the mini window or stop PAP from the player controls. On sites like YouTube, Brave often gives you a handy icon right in the address bar that makes this even easier. With the video playing, look near the address bar for a picture-in-picture button and click it. This triggers the same floating window without dealing with context menus. If you don't see it, make sure the video is actually playing and the tab is active, then check again. If you want broader support across more websites or a one-click shortcut you can use everywhere, install a dedicated picture-in-picture extension from the Chrome Web Store. Open the store in Brave, search for picture-in-picture, choose a well-reviewed option, and add it to Brave. After it's installed, you can pin the extension so it's always visible. Then whenever a video is playing, click the extension button to pop it out. This can be especially helpful on sites that don't expose the standard IP option or that use custom players. A few quick tips to make PIP smoother. The floating window stays on top of other windows, which is great for multitasking. Audio continues to play, and keyboard shortcuts like spacebar may not control the mini window, so use the on-window controls instead. If PIP doesn't appear on a particular site, try pausing and playing the video once, or use the extension method. That's all you need to keep videos visible while you work. Try each method and pick the one that fits your routine best.